I'm going to show y'all how to extend that gravy. If you noticed, I didn't use all of the milk or all of the cream the first time I made this. That was intentional. See, right now I'm on day 4 of this dish. I got a little bit of meat in this gravy, and that's all right. Now turn my burner on high. I'm going to bring it up to a boil, and I'm going to spoon that fat off when most of the liquid evaporates. And then I'll put the milk and cream in it. Add some more water to it. Boil it again, and then it'll be done. After this starts to boiling, you can see the fat along the surface of this gravy. Just dip the spoon right under the surface and lift it up and put it in a cup. I'll never get all of the fat out of it with a spoon, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. I got most of the excess out of it. And I've ordered a fat separator so I don't have to do it like this again. Anyway, what I do next is sop up the fat with a paper towel, and I'm going to throw it in the trash. Now I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to wash out this milk jug with a little bit of water. Now I'll add the cream to it. Now at this point, I have enough water to thin out the gravy. Now I'm going to bring it back up to a boil. I'm going to let it boil and reduce, and I might remove some more of this fat. And I'm going to do that until it gets to the right consistency. See how much fat I got out of it? That's about a 1/4 cup of fat that remained in that gravy after I spooned it out the first time. And now I'm going to boil it down to the right consistency, and I might add a little more seasoning to it if I need to. Now I'm going to take some of this gravy and add a little flour to it and pour it back in there. Just a pinch is all I'm adding. It's a big pinch. It's about I don't know, a couple teaspoons, maybe a tablespoon. No, it's about half a tablespoon. When you do this, be sure and mash all those lumps. So you don't have to mix flour with cold water. That's actually cornstarch that you have to do that with. If you're using flour, you can mix that flour with hot liquid. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. It's foaming up again. So anyway, get this as smooth as you can. It's going to be a thick gravy all by itself. And I'm going to pour it in here. Now bring it back to a boil again. You want to stir this as you boil it until it gets to the right consistency. I like it a little bit runny when I'm only eating it with bread. That way the bread will soak up the gravy. This is day 4 for me on this one meal. We make these dishes in the South so that we can eat off of them for several days and not have to cook again for about a week. It stretches our food, it stretches our budget, and on the weekend we'll cook something special, then come Monday, we start all over again. That's the way we eat in the South.